This is a great opportunity to be here today and to recognise how SAI is supporting Irish projects, Irish companies, saving money and actually embracing renewables, so to help their businesses to be more competitive.
The solar PV array that we've installed, it's 770 kilowatts, so it's approximately 10% of our site load for the year. We had a day in January where we were generating new 380 kilowatts, which is approximately half of the capacity of the system that early in the year, so we're seeing really good returns on it so far. We kind of play a game every day where we try and work out how much it's generating and check it against the app, and we're always pleasantly surprised. It's always a little bit more than you think you're going to see.
Activ8 installed just over 770 kilowatt peak of solar PV. The system comprised of just over 1,700 solar panels. These were connected to 5 Huawei high-powered inverters, providing clean energy for the client at Tayto Snacks. Zero disruption to the client's operations was fundamental on this project. For a company that produces 4,000 packets of crisps per minute, the scale of this operation is outstanding.
We had a very clear set of goals and a very kind of strict timeline. So all the way through, there was always someone from Activ8 on hand to check in, confirm information. And then ultimately, when it came to the install, it was just, you know, it was a dream. The guys just turned up, just got the work done, and everything was clean and tidy at the end. The guys were able to stand down when a truck had to come through, but then after that, then they plug away. So there was no disruption to traffic flow or pedestrian flow at any point during the project.
At Tayto Snacks, 1 in 10 potatoes produced in Ireland arrives on site on a daily basis. So this makes for a very busy operation, and coordination of the site team and our logistics needs to be planned carefully with the customer. Projects like this carve a clear message for any business considering solar PV. With paybacks of between 2 and 3 years, companies can see a return on their investment almost immediately. Activ8 can also provide PPA and finance options for our customers, where there is no upfront cost for the solar PV installation, and this helps lock in your energy price for the years to come.
Even a large infrastructure project like this one of the largest I've done in my time with Tayto, when you're coupled up with the right partner like Activ8, it can be very, very easy, very little disruption, and finish up a project that's very satisfying to see completed and will give us benefit for a very long time to come.